prefer what I got. Who wants an ice cream? Who wants an ice cream? Oh, you got a biscuit. You cheeky monkey. Yeah, I didn't think you'd be interested in that. Look at that. Ooh.
We can make snow.
Ooh.
First,
Relax. Tweet, tweet. Peekaboo. Turn around. 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 Good girl. And again. Turn around. Good girl. Turn around. Good girl. Turn around. Good girl. Good girl. Mwah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Love ice cream. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. Mwah. I love ice cream. Peekaboo. Oh. You're right, mate. Just relax. It's not going anywhere. You're choking on it. Relax. Ah, ah. Oh my God. You got nuts. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, turn around. Oh. Oh, relax.
Shall we go, Norman? What's the point? We'll just be watching from behind the rope. Fancy doing something really
Yeah, okay. Making a bit of a mess here, mate.
That is so funny.
Should we be in here? Yeah, it's an open day, isn't it? Jupiter normally stands on the turntable, but Venus will do. Do for what? This.
Wait, wait.
This is more like it.
Peekaboo.
You can't see Venus the wrong way round, Norman.
Love you. Alright, alright. You're guts. Turn around. 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 What? Was that piss off?
I was working, but I have a couple days off. So, we just went to teach and ride bike very fast. He was walking.
Oh,
Yeah. She walks and these couple days I have
Just sneeze on me.
We didn't get dressed for her yet. Formal.
relax. It's cold. Relax. Don't spit it on me.
Looking.
Relax.
Because she wants the student style. And cannot find it unless we find it. Because the side is like Chinese.
Why don't we watch the rooftop rescue from the first seat in the
Looks like it's like and you cannot go and use that side because then who knows what is it. So he went on Facebook asking
stuck behind the rope miles from
I went with one and I looked today.
Good.
And
Good.
I looked through maybe 2,000 dresses. So I found a couple of them she likes. The dresses I say, oh look, this is pretty.
Love you.
I say, no, I don't like that.
Love you.
So
Love
she
you.
likes a certain style.
Love you.
Anyway, so I found
Peekaboo.
dresses from
Love you. Love you. Peekaboo. Love you. Oh, you're so pretty. Smash it. Where are you going? Where are you going? Wait, smash it, smash it, smash it. Kiwi, Kiwi.
Nobody pays me.
Hey, hey,
I just,
hey, smash this.
no, I don't.
There you puff.